Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that alternates between periods of eating and fasting, emphasizing when to eat rather than what to eat. Rooted in both historical practices and modern health trends, IF aims to optimize body functions, promote weight loss, and potentially enhance longevity. One common method of intermittent fasting is the 16-8 method, where you consume all your daily calories within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. Another popular approach is the 5-2 diet, which involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and reducing calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. The primary mechanism behind IF's benefits lies in the metabolic switch from using glucose as the main source of energy to using fat. This switch occurs during extended periods without eating and is associated with improved blood sugar regulation, increased resistance to stress, and a decrease in inflammation. Fasting periods also stimulate autophagy, a process where cells remove damaged parts, which may protect against diseases such as Alzheimer's and cancer. Research suggests that intermittent fasting can lead to weight loss, as the restricted eating periods naturally lead to decreased calorie consumption. Additionally, improvements in metabolic health such as enhanced insulin sensitivity and reduced cholesterol levels have been observed. Some studies also indicate potential benefits for brain health and increased lifespan, although more research is needed to substantiate these claims. However, intermittent fasting isn't suitable for everyone. It's not recommended for individuals with a history of eating disorders, pregnant women, or those with certain health conditions requiring regular food intake. Potential side effects include hunger, irritability, and temporary decreases in energy. To begin with intermittent fasting, it's essential to choose a method that fits your lifestyle and health needs and consider starting gradually. Consulting with a healthcare provider is advisable to ensure that the fasting method selected will not adversely affect your health. In essence, intermittent fasting is more than just a way to lose weight. It can be a sustainable part of a healthy lifestyle if carefully and thoughtfully implemented. Whether used for metabolic health, weight management, or disease prevention, it encourages a structured eating pattern that, for many, can lead to significant health benefits.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.